Are you sick of finding Shopify stores but not really knowing which products are really their winning products? Even though some of the Shopify stores show you their best-selling products by category, we really still do not know which products are really their winning products. Let's be honest, some of you who are just getting started with dropshipping, you know that every dollar counts until you find that winning products, which lets you take more risk and so on. If you could spy on these successful Shopify stores, you would clearly be able to tell their winning products, which would show you exactly how much they're making and how much of that product they're actually selling. So, no more of the guessing game and testing products. Today, we're gonna find a way to find winning products without having to take a guess and test them. In today's video, we're gonna analyze a very successful dropshipping store, which will tell us exactly how many sales they're making and what's their winning product. And to find this, I'm gonna use a tool called Simply Trends. This tool lets you track their sales and watch their live orders just with 2 clicks. So, without waiting, let me show you how this tool works. So, here we have the store called the Hoodie.com. And it sounds exactly what they're selling. They're selling comfort hoodie. Now, you're probably wondering, can I sell the same exact product on my Shopify store? The answer is yes. Things you need to know before you try to sell this on your own store is first, find the supplier, and second, find their best-selling product, or AKA the winning product. So how do we do that? So first of all, we're gonna go and look at their website and see what they're selling and what we can be selling. So they're selling comfort robes and comfort blankets and comfort tees. To make your life easy, we'll head to Simply Trends, and right off the bat, you can see sales tracking and live orders. These 2 categories or these 2 subsections will be very, very important to us because all we have to do is go ahead and click on sales tracking. And as you can see, I've already been tracking their sales and I can go ahead and view sales. Once I do that, it gives me a synopsis of everything they're doing from store sales to their top products. It gives me a description of how many orders they have received in the last 7 days. You can come over here and decrease it to 24 hours and it tells me they have received 3,054 orders in the last 24 hours. And you can see this is an AUD. They have received over 317,000 AUD in the last 24 hours. So you know this product is making them bank. So we're gonna go back to seven days. As you can see, it gives us our top products right over here. And of course, it is this black hoodie, or black hoodie as they call it, is their most winning product. And if you see, it tells me find similar products and find suppliers. So I can go ahead and click on one of these and it will be able to find me the exact product I'm looking for and the suppliers. So let's go ahead and click on that and see what it holds for us. You can see it found 72 suppliers for me on AliExpress, 5 on CJ Dropshipping, and 100 on Alibaba. So we'll just scroll through, and right off the bat, you can see this first image is this exact image that Hoodie.com is using for their product description or product images. And you can tell they're selling it for $8. So we can go ahead right over here and open this supplier on AliExpress just like that. And there we have it. We were able to find our winning product that they're selling for 13 AUD with shipping $22. So your product margins are actually 3x. Because if you do the math, that's around $33. And we know that Hoodie.com, right over here, we can go back to the Simply Trends. They're selling it for $109. And they have received over 711 orders just for this item, which speaks a lot. There's more. The exciting part is we can go up all the way here and it says view store insight. So let's go ahead and click that. Over here, it gives us an overview. We can go ahead and check their live orders just by clicking this one button, and it will tell us exactly how many live orders they're receiving. And right over here, 1 minute ago, someone bought a coffee hoodie sleep tee, purple tie-dye hoodie weighted blanket. So you can see everything is right over here. And the list keeps going on and on. You can look at their live orders for the last 10 minutes. And this tells you exactly which products they're selling. And you don't have to waste your money testing your products, trying to find the winning products. Simply Trends literally puts it all in one, where you can track their store, see how much they're making, and what are their live orders, winning products, and exactly what their profit margins are. Even better, you can find the supplier using all in one app. Supplier, winning product, cost, everything is there. The next thing I'm about to tell you is my favorite feature from Simply Trends is export top products. With the click of a button, I can export all of their product images, listing price, listing description, everything. Right off the bat, I get it as a CSV file into my Excel sheets, and I know exactly everything they're selling, and I can put it on my Shopify store. Obviously, don't copy them exact word to word, change it into your own words, but you don't have to reinvent the wheel. All you have to do is copy it and do exactly what they're doing with a little bit of twist and a spice of your own. I downloaded the CSV file for the top winning products that are selling on their store right now. And you can see right over here, it shows you all the image links that are there. So I don't have to go ahead and try to convert all the images I have into links so I can post them on my Shopify store. This Simply Trends tool does it all for you with the click of a button. Right over here, you can click it and it takes all their winning products, puts into Excel sheet for you, and you have it ready to go. Here you can see live orders are still coming in, and I'm still being able to track it. In the last minute or two that I've tracked it for the last 5 minutes, they were able to make 9 orders and $1,000 in revenue. It sounds like a joke, but it is true, and it is happening right over here as you can see it with your own eyes. So I want to go back to Store Insight because there's still a lot more that I want to go into. Just right off the bat, you can see their monthly orders and monthly revenue. It also shows you which country they're originated in or which country their Shopify store holds in. You can see their ranking, their first published product, their average product price, and the number of products they have. So you can see over here, it shows you their 2022 November releases. So if I click export products, it will take all of their products that they released in November of 2022. Then now I scroll down, I can see 2022 October and so forth. It shows me their traffic as well. If you want to make it easier for yourself, on the top here, it gives you all the information tab by tab. That's just an overview. So you can go to products, and guess what? I can go ahead and click best sellers and go ahead and click export products. But I actually like the new release section because it shows me all the new releases they have. So, and you can see these little pop-ups right over here, which is find supplier, find similar products, or export just one product. For this category, the Hoodie.com, if I click find similar products, you will see that it shows most of their own domains in each of their different countries. So UK, United States, Canada, if I can show you here. So you can see the Hoodie.co, New Zealand, AU. So they're all over the place. Actually, this shop is not theirs. So good thing about finding similar stores is I can go over here, click their store, and it will take me to a store that is selling a similar product. And I can actually try to not have a tunnel vision and try to see if what other stores are doing and what could work better for me that the Hoodie.com is not already doing. One more thing that I really wanted to point out is the traffic section in the Store Insight. It tells you exactly where they're getting their traffic from and what audience and what age they're getting their traffic from. Mostly. It also tells you which categories they're using to get their audience to their website. You can also tell where they're getting most of their traffic from. It looks like YouTube and Facebook are their most profitable. May not be profitable, but that's where they're getting their most traffic from. And lastly, this is my favorite feature in the Store Insight section, which is the tech section. And this is actually very useful, and you know it. If you ever try to start your own Shopify store, you need to know exactly which apps to use to make sure that your Shopify store is just good as your competitors. And over here in the tech section, it tells you exactly which apps they are using, which can save you so much time. And honestly, you don't have to test the products because you know exactly which apps they're using. It will make your life 10 times easier. Secondly, it tells you which analytics they're using to track their audience. To sum it up, Simply Trends literally gives you validation. If you're wondering, should I sell this product? Should I sell that product? Simply Trends makes it easier for you to know exactly which winning products that your competition is selling. And honestly, once you know that, you're more inclined to take the first step and start your own Shopify store. Now that we went over sales tracking and live orders, it is more than just tracking store and spying on other Shopify stores. I can come over here and type a cozy hoodie. This will give me all the other stores that are possibly selling the same item that I'm looking to sell. So you can see here, this is not the Hoodie.com. This is actually cozyhoodie.co.uk. So let's go ahead and click on that and see what that looks like. So they're selling the exact same product, and it tells us a lot that this is not a saturated market. And even sometimes people think it's a saturated market, there is still money to be made. Okay, next we're in the similar store section, which is a competitor finder. So I'm able to find other stores that are selling the same exact product again using this tool, but in this way it sends me straight to their website. So I like this one, snuggie.ca.uk. So let's see what this one looks like. It actually looks exactly like the Hoodie.com. I'm gonna put them side by side because I wonder if it's the same store owner but just has a different name. Because look at this and look at this. They have the same color scheme. So they have literally gone ahead and copied the exact same store style and uploaded it to their own shop. And you can literally do the same thing using this tool called Simply Trends. All you have to do is go to sales tracking, go to their store, and export all their best-selling products. And you could be literally doing what snuggie.co.com is doing, copying the Hoodie.com, the best-selling Shopify store for cozy hoodies. Guys, it gets better. Next, I'll go to Shopify Products right over here, and all I have to do is type cozy hoodie. And again, it will give me literally every single store that is selling cozy hoodies. Obviously, this doesn't look like any of the ones that we want to sell, but I just wanted to show you if you can find the name of exact item that you want to sell. All you have to do is punch it in here, and it will show you exactly which products are going and selling. And the best feature that I love is that you don't have to do anything more than just clicking. I like this cozy hoodie. I actually don't like it. It's kind of ugly, but just for this video, let's click on Find Supplier. Once we click that, the automated system, the algorithm, the AI does all the work for you. It finds the suppliers on AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, and Alibaba, and just like that, with 3 different websites, you have all their suppliers. So let me show it to you. Alright guys, now that's loaded, you can see I just had to scroll a few scrolls down, and right, there it is there. I didn't have to look for the supplier. I found the supplier using Simply Trends, and so can you. Literally find any product, find the supplier using Simply Trends. You can find a Shopify store and find their winning products using the live order features. You can track it for 24/7, and it's honestly unbelievable how these guys have done it. This tool is truly amazing and useful for any dropshipper. If you're just getting started, this is useful. If you have been dropshipping for years, this is still useful for you. Next, we're gonna go ahead and look at their ad spy tool, which lets us spy on other people's ads. So let's go ahead and see what other people are doing for the cozy hoodie. Okay, so all I had to do was type cozy hoodie, and we were able to find something similar that we want to sell. And you can see it started. I just want to mute that for a second. You can see that started running on November 13th, so only a few days ago. And you can see 37 ads use this ad creative, and this is right over here. You can just literally copy this, put it in your own words, put it in your own website, and you have a video right over here that you can take a bunch of multiple videos and combine into one of your own. All right, you guys get the point. It's very easy. You can find winning ads just by typing the keyword of the product that you guys want and you're looking to sell. Hey guys, just a quick pause. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. And if you're enjoying this tool called Simply Trends, you can find the link in the description below. Thank you. With this feature, with this product, or with this tool, you can literally go into winning ads and find the ads you're looking for. And that way, you don't have to create your own ad. You can literally do a complication of a bunch of ads and make it look like your own, so it's still new, so you're not copying anyone, but you're just making it with a little bit of twist of your own. Next, we're going to look at the Facebook ads section. All you have to do is go ahead and log into your Facebook, so I'm going to quickly do that. Alright guys, once you log into your Facebook, it's simply easy to use the Facebook ad section over here. All you have to do is pick a category for all ads, and we're going to go ahead and actually type cozy hoodie. You know what? I'm going to type the Hoodie.com, and it will be able to come up. Okay guys, so we were able to find their ad library right over here. All I have to do is click it, and it will show me exactly all their ads they are running on Facebook using Facebook ads. So let's see, they're doing a lot of image ads, and you can see that this started running on the 15th, and which platforms they're running it on. They are running it on Facebook, which one's this, Audience Network and Messenger. So you can literally see what platforms they're using, which saves you a lot of money and not having to run it on every single platform that they're not running on. Because these are your competitors, you want to make sure you're running on exact same platforms and exactly what they're doing. So here's a video that we can watch. And it actually seems like just a small GIF that's there. And honestly, you get the point. I hope that this ad is this tool, Simply Trends, is one fits all. It literally does everything for you, from finding a competition to finding the ads to finding the winning products. I don't know what else to tell you guys. So this video, literally you could make it your own, or literally copy the concept and have a video for yourself. The ad creatives are right here. You can see this ad is running since November 15th for Black Friday deals. Last but not least, we're going to do TickTock ads, and we're going to come over here and type cozy hoodie. All right, so there we go. We have our TickTock ads right over here. All I'm going to do is quickly mute this, and you can see all of the ads that are running on TikTok are simplified for you all in one spot, so you can find it very easily. And you don't even have to click on them. You can just scroll through. You know what? We're going to click on view ad because I want to show you something cool. It goes more in detail. This is their click-through rate, okay? Which means people are clicking 99% of the times. And this is their conversion rate. So they're running TikTok ads, and you can see they're getting a lot of conversions. This might not even be the hoodie. All right, guys, the last section is supplier finder, and you can simply do this by copying the URL of your winning product or competition that you have, and you can paste it here. And even better, if you don't have a URL, all you have is just the image, you can copy the image or upload the image here, and it will be able to find the supplier using the image you have given it to the AI. And honestly, this AI is very, very good at finding the supplier. It works 99% of the time. Obviously, nothing is perfect. They're still working on it, but it still works. It saves you time, which essentially saves you money. And honestly, this tool is great. If you're enjoying this, find the link in the description below.